So, what is a chronograph? A chronograph is a watch with a stopwatch function. Here, we're using a C65 Chronograph, a watch with water-resistant screw-down pushers. To use, just unscrew them in an anti-clockwise direction. Now we're all set. To begin timing, press the top pusher. This will start the chronograph hand. As soon as you want to stop timing, press the top pusher again. You can then see how much time has elapsed. To return the chronograph hand to its starting point, press the lower pusher. If you're timing something that takes over 60 seconds, perhaps a pan of pasta or a boiled egg, the subdial on the right will show the elapsed minutes. Here, we can see that 2 minutes and 20 seconds have elapsed. To reset, just press the lower pusher. Now we're going to learn how to use the tachymeter. A tachymeter is a tool you use to gauge the speed of a moving vehicle over a fixed distance. It's most often associated with motorsport. On the C65 Chronograph, you can see the tachymeter scale on the outer part of the dial. Let's say you're at the racetrack and you want to measure the speed of the car over 1 kilometer. When the car passes the start point, press the top pusher. This will start the centre seconds hand. When the car passes the 1 kilometer mark, press the top pusher again. We can see it's taken 20 seconds for the car to travel the distance. By lining up the seconds hand with the tachymeter scale, we're able to see that the car was travelling at a speed of 180 kilometers per hour. It's as simple as that. And don't forget, a tachymeter will work with any unit of measurement, not just kilometers. If you like any of the watches in this video, you'll find links to them in the description below. For more tips on how to get the best out of your watch and to see our newest releases, just click on subscribe.